Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Keeper or KP3R token. In my last video, we were watching how the price line of Keeper broke out a resistance of a falling wedge pattern, and I told you that from here I'm expecting a big move, and the price line has so far rallied well. And in today's video, we will discuss this move, but before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel so far, then do subscribe it first. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I am sharing different trading ideas for you on the daily basis, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. This was the falling wedge pattern that I shared in this video with you, and this was the chart that first I shared with my members at the Patreon on 16th of December, and the price line just broke out the resistance of this falling wedge pattern, and you can see that the price line was just above the resistance after breaking it out. And I shared these targets with you and with my members at the Patreon as well. From the first target can be $1,342, and the second target can be $1,940. Now, after playing the chart, we can see that the price line rallied very well, and so far it has exactly touched at $1,934, very close to this second target, and now it is retraced back and moved down to the previous target that was in fact our previous resistance as well, and now it is working as a support. Now if we take a look at the live daily time frame chart, then here we can observe that this $1,342 is still working as a very strong support. Previously, as it was working as a very strong resistance, here it worked as a resistance, and here it has been working as a resistance, and here in the month of at the end of December and at the start of January 2022, it has been working as a strong resistance as well. And after some retracement, the price line moved up and broke out the next resistance of $342 and rallied very close to the next resistance. The final resistance is $1,934. Now at the same time, we can see that the price line, while moving up in this zigzag way, the price line has also formed an up channel. This is the support of the newly formed up channel, and here we have the resistance for this channel, and you can see that we have several ejections and we have several bounces by the support, and this exponential moving average 21 is also working as an additional support. And you can see after every rally, every short rally, the price line is testing the EM at 21 and the support of this channel as well. Right now we have tested again this EM at 21 and the support of $1,342, and now it is likely to move up from here. Now if the price line moves at the resistance again of this channel, then it can again try to make another attempt to break out the final resistance that we have at $1,934. That can be a final resistance, and if the price line breaks out that final resistance of $1,930, then this $1,930 can turn into a support, and the price line can start a very long-term rally. So next few hours and days are really very important. We are getting bounced by the support of the channel, and the price line maybe within few hours or a few days, it can make a very powerful attempt to break out this final resistance. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I am sharing different trading ideas for you on the daily basis. You can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.